Bitch, I love you, but we can't keep doing this. If I don't got these Percocets, man.
It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't broke me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Chucky. Counting back on the clothes I need where they at, yeah. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back, yeah. Ain't no sentimentals, I just walked out and blew some grass. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crash some pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That don't make me no hoe. That don't make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be antisocial. I can't sleep sometimes. I need peace of mind. Roll that weed, I'm fine. Cause I only be with dimes. If she with me, she mine. If she with me, she fine. Excuse me if I'm late. I'll be on CP time. Yeah. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, now I'm entering my bed. Had a few dreams about you, I can't tell you what we did. I expected to see you on your morning one again. No, I shouldn't be watching, cause every time I feel the pain.
Okay, y'all, so I have my braid down complete. As you guys saw, I have my eyebrows done. If you want to watch me do my eyebrows and the rest of the night after I put this wig on, to watch that video, go ahead and click the corner of this video. It should be tagged somewhere on the screen. And here is the wig that I made. You guys, if you want to watch the video of me making the wig, the link will be down below or it'll be on the screen. So this is the inside of my wig, you guys. I made this wig, obviously. If I just said that, the video of me making the wig will be linked down below. But yes, y'all, I made this wig, so I'm just gonna unclip all the clips. So the objective is to pretty much line the clips up with your leave out. So for example, the one clip that I have in the back here, I'm gonna stick it right here so that it outlines the perimeter of my leave out, you guys. That makes sense. And then snap it into place. Then I only have one clip to secure the side of my leave out, so I'm gonna make sure I kind of bring that up. This clip is not clipping. This is the thing, y'all. That's one thing I would change about the next wig I make is the clips, because the clips really be throwing me off. And then so with these clips on the side, you just want to get it on the perimeter of your hairline, but not to where it's gonna cause you tension, just to where it'll be secure. This up, and you kind of want to make sure everything is flat while you're securing your clips, y'all. Like, you don't want to bring it up too far and then have the back lift or ridged or anything like that. It's also easier if you have a braid down, because it kind of gives your clips some leverage, like something to like hold on to. Go ahead and brush this out. Girl, that nigga ain't turned to look like you supposed to for a night go treat you right. Now I'm gonna take my hot comb. I have an electric one, but the stove one just hits different, y'all. I'm gonna take my hot comb and go over like this. Just go over the top to make sure everything is laid down. Because you want it to look as natural as possible, y'all. Obviously. So, okay, y'all, so and now I have the wig installed. Let me back it up some. So y'all can see what I'm working with. Oh yeah, I have to lay down the adjustable bands in the back too. So now y'all, I'm about to lay out my leave out in fast motion because it's pretty self-explanatory, and I'll be right back.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning, now I'm entering my bed. Had a few dreams about you, I can't tell you what we did. I expected to see you on your morning run again. No, I shouldn't be watching, 'cause every time I feel the pain, you told me it was over, that we'd be together soon. Was this before or after? You told me to leave the room. I used to think we'd make it far. It turned out that we were such a shame, that we weren't the same at all. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, now I'm entering my bed. Had a few dreams about you, I can't tell you what we did. I expected to see you on your morning run again. No, I shouldn't be watching, 'cause every time I feel the pain,